Welcome to Brain Vision.
So this is the coolant in the condenser. This 15 degrees, 50% of it is H2 and 50% of CO2. And this condenser has 15 degrees Celsius of pure water. Pure water 0.7 m³ of H2O. This is the out. This is the heat exchanger. This is carbon monoxide 25 degrees Celsius. And 500 degrees Celsius of product stream 3.5 m³ by hour. 40 mole percent of H2, 40 mole percent of CO, and 20 mole percent of H2O. The reactor is CO, and this is the steam of 150 degrees Celsius. By installing a heat exchanger for the carbon monoxide and product streams, it is more economical because the increase in temperature of CO will increase the reaction rate and gets a good yield. And by passing the product stream through heat exchanger, it will reduce the condenser load.